नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बेटियों। आई JVN डॉक्टर नारायण सिंह शेखावत, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शल्य तंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। In previous classes, we discussed about uh, disorders of esophagus. Now, in sequence, we discuss today disorders of stomach. Before that, we discuss about anatomy of stomach so that I can understand, so you can understand easily what is the anatomy of stomach. As you can see the picture, in this picture, this is the stomach. This is the whole GIT system, and in that picture, this is the tongue, then pharynx, esophagus. Now, after the esophagus, this is the stomach. Mouth, then esophagus, stomach, small intestine, then large intestine, rectum, and anus. This is the whole GIT system. The stomach is a dilated part of the alimentary canal between the esophagus and small intestine. Dilated part of alimentary canal means GIT canal. It is muscular sac. It is a muscular sac. It is a J-shaped structure, as you can see in this diagram. Upper part of stomach connect from esophagus, and lower part of stomach is connected with small intestine. First part, duodenum. Clear, students? This is the whole about the stomach. This one is esophagus. Then this is the cardiac part. This is the fundus part, serosa, fundus, then body part. After the body, this is the greater curvature. This is the pyloric antrum, pyloric canal, and this is after this end of cardiac and of pyloric antrum, pylorus. This is the pyloric sphincter or valve, duodenum. This is the laser curvature. These all the muscular layer of stomach, longitudinal, circular, and oblique. Stomach blood supply. It is the arterial blood supply. It means fresh blood from heart to stomach. Short gastric arteries, splanchnic artery, left gastroepiploic artery, right gastroepiploic artery, superior pancreatoduodenal artery, gastroduodenal artery, right gastric artery, C left trunk की hepatic artery, and left side में esophageal branches of left की left gastric artery. This is the blood supply of stomach. Venous blood drainage. Stomach venous drainage means impure blood drain into veins and collect in heart, then lungs. Short gastric veins, splanchnic vein, gastroepiploic vein, right gastroepiploic vein, superior mesenteric vein, superior pancreatoduodenal vein, right gastric vein, and left gastro and esophageal branches vein. These are all the venous drainage. In stomach innervation means nerve supply to the stomach. Parasympathetic innervation of stomach, vagus nerve. 90% of fiber in vagal trunk is afferent to transferring from stomach to CNS. Sympathetic innervation of stomach is splanchnic nerve derived from spinal segment thoracic T5 to T10. These are all about the innervation of nerves. Functions of stomach. Now we discuss about the function of stomach. Limited absorption of water, alcohol, and some lipid soluble drugs. Means stomach अल्कोहल को, वाटर को एंड लिपिड सॉल्युबल ड्रग को लिमिटेड लिमिट्स में एब्जॉर्ब करता है. नॉन स्पेसिफिक डिफेंस अगेंस्ट माइक्रोब्स प्रोवाइडेड बाय हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड मींस HCl into gastric juice. Production and secretion of intrinsic factor needed for absorption of vitamin B12 in the terminal ileum means large intestine part. Regulation of the passage of gastric content into the duodenum. Secretion of gastric hormones. These are about all the function of stomach. Students, these all the these all is about the anatomy and physiology of stomach. Okay, students, clear? This digital session is powered by Digital Session 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If you have, hope you have, hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubts or queries, mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.